Welcome you all for learning Python. The first chapter, brief history of Python. Guillaume van Rossum was invented Python in earlier 90s. It is named after Andy Python. It is open sourced from the beginning. It is considered a scripting language and much more. It is scalable, object oriented and functional programming. The scope of Python, it supports various type of categories. First one, web development and framework using Django, web testing using Selenium, game development using Pygame, AI and data science using Spider, Anaconda and etc. Big data analytics through Hadoop, Hive and Big. Small devices using IoT like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Node MCU. All this category, the Python is the basic language to implement any sort of project in short time. These are the features of Python. It's a simple, easy to learn, versatile, free and open source, high level language, interactive, portable, object oriented, interpreted, dynamic, extensible, embeddable, extensive library, easy maintenance, secure, robust, multi-threaded and garbage collection. These are the features associated with Python. Now we are going to discuss about Python tutorial outlines. It covers data types, the basic data type like numbers, string and container types like list, dictionaries, tuples, sets. Execution mode, there are two types of execution mode, interactive mode and then script mode. Then input and output statement, variables, flow control statement, functions, list, tuple, dictionary and set, modules and packages, exception handling, file handling, object oriented concepts like classes and object, MySQL database integration. Python has built-in object type. There are 5 types: number, boolean, sequence, set, dictionary. In the number category, it is classified into 3 types: integer, floating point, complex. Then next category is the boolean. It has a 2 value, one is the true, another one is the false. In the sequence category, there are 3 terms are there: strings, tuple and then list. String and tuples are immutable. List and tuples are heterogeneous element. It is capable of storing heterogeneous element, and list is a mutable. Set, it consists of ordered collection elements. It stores the homogeneous elements. It has only the unique elements in that list. It is enclosed with curly brace. Next is dictionary. Dictionary consists of key and value pair. It is also called as associative array. We can see one by one. First we are going to discuss about data type. In the number category, we already told you that there are 3 things are there: integer, float, complex. You can see one by one. A is equal to 10, it is integer number. B is equal to 25.5, it is a floating point number. C is equal to, I can give some complex number, 7 minus 8 j, it is a complex number. You can check the type with the help of an type of function. It is a built-in function that retrieves the type of a variable. Then A is the integer type, type of B is float, type of C is complex. We demonstrated the numbers. Next we are going to see boolean category. In the boolean category, there are 2 values are available: A is equal to true and B is equal to false. Then you can check the type of A and B. Type of A is boolean, the classes belongs to boolean. Then type of B, it belongs to boolean. And then next we are going to see sequence. In that sequence, there are 3 terms are there. First one is the string, second one is the tuple, then third one is the list. First we have to discuss about string. Say for example, string is nothing but it's a collection of character. It is enclosed with either single quotes, hello. Then you can say that what is the type of A? It belongs to string category. You can also define a string. A is equal, B is equal to, within a double quotes I can say that welcome. Then you can check the type of B, it is also string. Then I can define another string, C is equal to, with the help of triple quotes, welcome you all. Then we can check the type of C, it is also string, but the triple quote is always used to denote the document string. Next we are going to demonstrate tuple. Then tuple, it consists of different elements. It is enclosed with parenthesis. Say for example, A is equal to parenthesis. I can say that one is the roll number, then name is the Ram, and then he has the age of 35 and he has a average of 98.5. Then we can check the type of A, it is a tuple because the elements are enclosed with parentheses. Now we are going to see list. List consists of a different element. It is enclosed with square bracket. 1 is equal to Alvin and the age is equal to 30 and he has the average of 99.9. Square bracket respectively close square bracket. List is defined. You can check the type of A. Now it belongs to list. Next is a set. Set consists of a homogeneous element. It is enclosed with a curly brace. Say for example, A is equal to, I can give some numbers 1 1 1 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 4 comma 5. Okay, set is capable of storing homogeneous element, but it stores only the unique values. Then when you are displaying the set values, look at these values are removed because it stores only the unique value. The next category is nothing but dictionary. D is equal to, it consists of key and value pair. Okay, the key and value pair is enclosed with curly brace. Key colon value. Okay, this is a structure to define the elements in the dictionary. Just like a normal dictionary, if you are searching a normal dictionary, it has a word and associated with the meaning. The same way it has a key is associated with the value. Then the key and values are separated by colon operator. The key and values are separated by colon operator. Now I can create one more key as the 1 is the key and it has the ONE1 as the value. Similarly, you can place n number of key and value pairs. Here the name key is not defined, okay, because it's a string. It is enclosed with either it is a single quotes or double quotes. D. Okay. Thank you for watching and thank you all.